Hello people, good morning, good afternoon or good evening. This is Joe, your tech handyman. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Loom to record your screen. Loom is a very powerful tool, okay, that you can use to record your screen for tutorial and lesson purposes, and of course for presentations. So I'm going to show you how to set up Loom and of course use it to record your screen. Now, if today is the first time of you stopping by, please subscribe, like, comment, and turn on the notifications so that anytime we upload content, you'll be the very first to know. Remember, like I always do say, when you grow, we grow. So if you're ready, let's get it.
So guys, from the Google homepage, just type loom.com. It takes you here. This is the landing page of Loom. So you can see you can do a whole lot. You can capture your screen. You can share video anywhere instantly. On Loom, you can actually edit your recording when you're done. So we go right back and click on Get Loom for free. That's if you don't have an account. You can sign in with your Google account or you register a new Gmail. So I will do with Google. So I'll click on it and select the particular Google account I'm using. It takes me here. So once here you can see record your first Loom. So I'll just click on record a Loom. From the pop-up, just click open Loom, and then what happens is that it takes you here where you can say this is the camera. This is the camera. This is where you do your recording settings. Here you can decide to record screen and camera, or screen only or camera only. For instance, if I leave it at camera only, only the camera will be recorded. Now if I do screen and camera, then both the screen and the cam will record, but in this case I want to record only screen. So if I click on it, you see that the camera is gone. Okay, so select your speaker, your microphone, that is. You can use external. When you're done, you can click on start recording. So it takes you here, so for you to select to start recording. So once you get here, again click start recording, and then the countdown starts. After the countdown, it will start to record your screen. So as I'm speaking now, it's actually recording my screen, whatever is happening here. Okay, so this is the controls. You may not see it in the final video because this place will be hidden, but these are the controls. You can see the stop button, you can see the pause. So I will use the stop. So when I click on the stop, it pops up another window to take me to the library to show me my recording. So right here you can see the video, the screen that we just recorded. So you can decide to download it from here. If you click on it, download. You can decide to share. I click on share, for instance, so you supply this info and then you can copy the link and you're sharing it already. So easy. So that is how it looks. So playing it again, you can see the video. Yeah, you can see this is how it is. So you have a video in a jiffy, you know. Okay, so this on this side of your screen, this pen, you use it for settings. For instance, you can use this, you can toggle this to remove the background noise. You can check this for filler words detected. You can add a link to it. You can split screen. Here you can stitch video, that's join videos together. You can change the thumbnail from here, and here is another video settings that you can explore. So here is the activity, you know, the conversation that goes on with about your recording. Here is the transcript if you have any, and the number of views that you have. So going back to the dashboard now, the library specifically, it takes you here. This is exactly where your recording resides. So if you want another video, you just click new video and the recording starts. Thanks for watching today's video.